Hello friends, it is me again. So, my package from Billion Dollar Brows just came in the mail. I'm so excited to open it. So, you guys know I'm an esthetician for going on to 13 years now, and I started in the industry by doing eyebrows. Didn't know facials, didn't know any of that, just straight up eyebrows. So eyebrows is my definitely #1 passion. It's where I learned the art of the beauty industry. It's where I learned to master my technique and really fall in love with the beauty industry. So brows is definitely, oh my god! You guys have to see this as soon as you open the package. It says, oh my god, I love your brows. I love your brows too. Thank you so much. Oh my god, you guys, this is so exciting. Look at this. Let's just open this. Just open this with me. Oh my god. Hi Karina, looking forward to learning how you like the products. I am so shook, you guys. Like, this is just, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am shook. I am literally shook right now. This is just amazing. Oh my god. They literally sent me, oh god. You guys. I am in brow heaven right now. Oh my god. I have pencils. I have fillers. I have, oh my god. You guys, I can't even like begin to like tell you guys how excited I am right now. Like, ah! Okay, you guys, I need to go do something with this. I need to go make a tutorial. I need to do something. I am just so happy right now. Okay. Thank you, Billion Dollar Brows. You guys made my day. Love you so much.